Hey guys, OneKlue here. I hope all of you are doing really well and having a really great day. Today we do have a new product and we do have a giveaway. So stick with me and let's get started. So let's start with the unboxing. I brought with me quickly a knife and we can quickly open this one up. I need to say the packaging of this device looks premium. This is definitely the case. And here we go. So the device is the OneKey Classic 1S. And this device got sent over to me from OneKey, obviously. And you might wonder why another hand wallet. I do have basically two requirements for products that I like to show on my channel. And one of them is that the device needs to be open source. And this one right here is definitely open source. So therefore it's something that I'm eager to unbox and take a look on. And the second one is it needs to look nice, right? So I think it looks nice. And yeah, so this is the packaging. On the one side is OneKey here. On this side just the logo, OneKey there, and nothing on the bottom. On the back, we do get plenty of information. Designed by OneKey in Hong Kong, SRR, China, assembled in China. All right, so now we do have these two zip thingies here that we can use, and yeah, a lot of companies use these ones, and as I said, it feels premium. And let's actually get this out here. It's a little bit hard to get it out of the box, which is definitely good. And here we go. So the first one is just the cover, which is nice. The second one is HYOK. Hodl your own key. That's lovely. That's lovely. Really, that's nice. All right, here we do have a quick starter set. It seems like that. Let's get it out here. So download the OneKey app, OneKey buy and sell, cross-chain swap, stake, firmware update. So you guys know I'm more into Bitcoin, but obviously this device also supports Bitcoin, so I'm eager to take a look on that. So that's just the quick start journey. Never important hardware wallet recovery phrase into app wallets. Yeah, that's an important thing. Never do that. And it's nice that they do keep this in here and yeah, some sort of keep it cold. That's lovely for those hodl people. Hot wallets are just an issue. They are a security issue, and it's good that they do have quick information for you in here as well. This here is the get started guide, definitely in different languages. Yeah, so a little bit of paperwork here. That's nice. Okay, let's put this to the side and let's see what's that here. We do get two stickers. Nice. And then we have the, oh my god, guys, this is, it's light. Let's put it to the side and let's unbox this in just a second. Now we do have a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is from the length a little bit longer than the camera screen. It's good, that's good. And it does have some fabric here, which is also nice. Let's put it to the side. And then we do have the recovery sheet down here. And by the way, guys, if you don't want to use paper for your, I'll definitely recommend you to check it out and do so. If not, I'll leave a link down in the video description, and somewhere up here should be an info card for you to check it out. All right, recovery sheets here. I think nothing else in the box. Let's take a look on that. And guys, it's super light. I don't know what to say. This is impressive. I have recently reviewed a couple other hardware wallets as well. I had some that looks like a credit card, other ones with a big screen. This screen is not that big, and it doesn't feel like a device from the weight. I need to say that this is impressive. All right, here we go. Let's the device. Let's take off the peel from the screen as well. Nice. And I think I've not read the instructions, so I assume we click on the power button here. Let's press and hold on that. power on. Let me quickly zoom in for you guys. Okay, now we can select the language, and we do have the arrow up and arrow down key. Let's see. Okay, we got English, something I can't read, something I can't read, something I can read, and Spanish. That's good. So let's select English. Press key to go back, press O to continue. Welcome to OneKey. Alright, next follow the on-screen instructions to set up your OneKey Classic. Create a new wallet, import wallet. Alright, let me quickly create a new wallet, and let me quickly click on that. Generating a standard wallet with a new set of recovery phrase. 12 word. Oh my god, that's good. So they do offer you 12 word, 18 words, 24 words. That's good. That's good. All right, let me quickly do so, and we're gonna be right back in just a second. So here we go. We are now done with writing down the recovery phrase for this wallet, and they do state here recovery phrase is the only way to recover your assets. So keep it in a safe place. As I said, check out the link in the video description down below to get yourself a metal kit from Seador, which is, as I said, in my opinion, the best way to actually store your seed phrase in the safest way ever. So let's click on OK. Set a 4 to 9 digit PIN to protect your wallet. All right, let's do this as well quickly. All right, here we go. PIN is set. Wallet is ready. Download OneKey apps and have fun with your OneKey Classic. Download OneKey apps at onekey.so/download. Any questions? Visit Help Center. All right, OneKey Classic is set up. It will back to home screen. All right, OneKey Classic 1S. I don't know what this means down there, K1486. Maybe that's the serial number. Let me quickly take a look on the box if I do see anywhere a serial number. So, okay, I was taking a look on the box, and interestingly, so this one does have a input of 5 volts, so this USB-C, and can you see that it is even thinner than the USB-C port? They need to increase here the size of the enclosure around the USB-C port. That's insane. That's insane. General security. So wait. So I was clicking on this button here. So probably this is the menu. That's what I assume. So this one does have Bluetooth. Okay, so I assume what you could do for those of you who like to have a cold storage, and for those of you who actually like to have some sort of security around their wallets, if you use that with Bluetooth, sure, it will have some sort of a connection over this way with the internet. So I assume that you guys actually do this if you want to have this as a cold storage device with a device which is not online. Maybe, for example, with Graphene OS, and then never ever turn on Wi-Fi or mobile connections, cellular connections, and then just broadcast this transaction via SD card or something like that, if you prefer this route. Most of you, I assume, will just use this with Bluetooth with the iPhone or whatever, which is also okay because the keys are stored on this device and are not exchanged with the device you're connecting to. And I was talking about this device and I said that this is open source. In the video description down below will also be all the necessary links and information for you to check it out and trust this thing. If you say, hey, OneClue, I'm not sure if you're talking the right stuff here, just check it out. They do have everything open source, which is lovely. So let's click on the menu. We do have general security about device. Let's click on that. Device information, OneKey Classic Bluetooth. Oh, that's the Bluetooth name. All right, that makes sense. So model OneKey Classic 1S, firmware version 3.5.2, Bluetooth 5.1.1, bootloader, build ID, serial number, all right, device ID. Okay, certification, what's that? FCC ID, Okay, so instead of putting it on the device, you can actually show this on the screen, which is lovely. I mean, for those of you who might know, these certificates need to be on the device, and it seems like it's okay if you just display it on the display. I mean, I have no idea, but I mean, on an iPhone, it is printed on the frame, if I'm not mistaken. Treasure Compact, I have no idea what that is. Safety checks. Let's click on that. Enable. Treasure Compact. Okay, no information about that here. Let's click on Safety Checks, which also doesn't give you any sort of information. Okay, let's click on Security, Change PIN, check recovery phrase, passphrase, reset device. All right, and then the last one, General, Bluetooth, language, autolock, shutdown. And what else? USB lock enabled, input direction default, reverse. That's interesting. So you can put a lock on the USB. So what you can do is you can lock the USB, so you can't actually connect it with a PC and therefore make it a connection with the internet. You can only use this via Bluetooth if you do have the USB lock enabled. And standard, it seems to be enabled. And then we do have the shutdown and auto lock, language, and Bluetooth. All right, you know what? Let's quickly hop over to the phone and let's see what we can find out over there, right? All right, so now we are actually on the web app, on the web browser, on onekey.so/start, and we can click on App Store and it will bring us over to the App Store, OneKey Blockchain DeFi Wallet. Let's download that. All right, it's downloading, and afterwards I'm really eager to see what we will find in this app. Let's click on Open. All right, so now, yeah, it's currently in German. I'll quickly change that as soon as I do have a connection, because what I want to do is click on Hardware Wallet Connect. Bring the device near range. All right, connect to it. Looking for devices. We want to trust with Bluetooth. Let's do it again. We need to enable the trust with Bluetooth because usually I do have everything disabled. There's the device. Let's connect with that. Let's see, we do get a code and we should be connected in just a second. I'll try to make a picture of that, but the icon on the screen actually changed. So the Bluetooth icon changed here. And now we do get, okay, some processing on the display of the device, all right. It's now creating our account, interesting. So I have no idea what's happening in the background. Now it's decrypting our device and our data, and let's go. Okay, before we do anything else, let me go in the menu. Let me go to the language and change it over to English so that you guys can actually read it. Perfect. All right, let's hop back over to Wallet. What can we find in here? So we do see some sort of a ID on the top left. All right. Yeah, we can have NFTs, history, tools. We can probably also change the assets. Okay, so on top, it seems like there's this Bitcoin icon. There we go. So we are on Bitcoin. It also supports Lightning. That's interesting. I'm wondering how that is going to work. If I do click on create device, it is checking on device status check. All right, let's see what's now happening. Confirm on device. So it's giving me a Bitcoin message on the device, which I can actually sign. Let's quickly do that. I signed it on the device, and now there's another one. And now I do have a Lightning address. That's super simple. And it's connected with a hardware device, which is nice. Let me click on receive to see what's going on. Let me enter in, I don't know, 1,000 sats. Click on next, and then there's this invoice. So I assume this is hosted or in combination with their server. I will make my due diligence and figure out how much of this stuff is actually on the device and what else is on the network or on their servers. And I will update you on this, or even make like an extra statement. I'll try to contact the technical support about that. All right, let's go back and let's switch here. So you do see there are plenty of shit coins. I don't care. I'm just caring about Bitcoin, which is lovely. And let's click on that here. Let's click on history. Nothing going on there. Info. Okay, we do get like standard information. We also do have this current price down here, which we can actually change to 1 year maybe. This wallet, it feels nice. This app is also really good. On top here, right next to the BTC symbol, there's BTC nested SegWit. And we do have one BTC address, and we can add another one. Lovely. This is a feature I do miss on my Tangem, and therefore this here is definitely a bonus for this wallet. I love it. That's good. It's a standard feature which is necessary to the user of a wallet, I believe, to have the option to actually have not only one public key, but actually the XPub key, and therefore can create multiple ones. Let's click on Market here. Let's quickly dive through the whole app. Watch list, we don't want any of these tokens. We don't need that. All right, we do have now a watch list. Perfect, we can click on Trade. And welcome to OneKey Swap. So they do offer you a cross-chain swap. Okay, that's not that bad. Probably you need to do KYC for that. I'll not try it out because I don't need to. Let's click on Explorer. What do we have here? Seems like this is sort of a Explorer. I never used any of these ones here. But we can take a look on Embers, which is not that bad, and other stuff. And any other blockchain explorers here, probably DEX and stuff like this. So this wallet definitely has attached to multiple different currencies, cryptocurrencies, NFTs and stuff like this. I'm not really into that stuff. That was way before I started my YouTube channel that I did all this kind of stuff. But it's nice to have, and for some of you it might be something that is appealing to you and that you actually want. All right, let's hop over to menu. What we can see here, we can scan a QR code, connect to a site. Okay, so we can do like wallet connect, which is not bad. That's good to actually have an easy connection and then still need to sign on your device. We have migrate between OneKey app. So you can migrate between multiple apps from one device to a new one, for example. We do have OneKey Lite. What is that? Restore with OneKey Lite. That's another wallet. Yeah, that here is another wallet. Restore your wallet without typing one word. Interesting. Not sure if you want to do that or not. And OneKey key tag. See, that is what I was talking about. Put your seed phrase into metal. That's needed. All right. Address book. There we can see some addresses that we stored. We can change the theme, the language, default currency. We can do a backup. We recommend backing up your nope. Don't do a backup to iCloud. I don't really recommend to you to do so. Just back up your seed phrase and then you should be good to go. We can set a password. We can click on protection. Okay, so that's good. So let's say, for example, someone was stealing your phone and unlocked it and now is in your OneKey app and doesn't have your OneKey wallet next to them. In order to make a transaction or remove wallets or accounts, you still need a password, which is really good. So this is another layer of protection, and I really do like it. We can reset the app, set notifications, click on crypto, spend dust UTXOs. Interesting. So we do have some sort of UTXO management here probably. I'll try to send some token over there and some Bitcoin over there and make maybe another video of how it actually looks if you do use this wallet, if you can select UTXO. So therefore I'll try to make 2 transactions over there, and let's see if we can actually select which kind of UTXO we want to spend. I don't know, we will figure this out. Yeah, I think for the wallet app that's it. There's nothing else that we can actually check out here. Maybe we can click here. Yeah, that's on the top left. This is just the OneKey Classic 1S. Oh, there's an update available. Let's click on that. Here, update available, device status. Let's quickly check that. And we do have the firmware 3.7.1, support new stuff, support for LN URL of authorization signing. Okay, so they do fix their stuff, which is good. Let's quickly do an update. Do you have your phrase? Yes, I have. And it's updating. Do you want to restart your device in update mode? Yes. Let me quickly enter my PIN, and here we go. So yeah, it's now updating. All right, I think that's all with the app. We will see us in just a second. All right, guys, I hope this video was a little bit informational for you. And if you now want to get yourself such a device and receive this package here with a brand new OneKey Classic 1S, then all you need to do is check out the link in the video description down below. In there you will find a link and sign up to claim, and in 1 week or by the end of this week I will select the winner. Thanks for watching and see you next time.